Hi there and welcome to YouLi. It's time to ditch the spreadsheets and the long email chains. YouLi make travelling in groups so easy with beautiful travel pages and all the right tools and essential dashboard. YouLi will keep you organised and your travel plans on track. Keep your attendance list, payments, optional add-ons, tasks and documents all in one place so you and your fellow travellers can stay engaged and energized for the journey you're about to embark on. You can get started for free and I'll show you how easy it is to use so you can begin planning your next travel adventure. To create an account, first start with your email address. Select a password and enter your name. Now we can create our first trip. With YouLi, you can plan all types of trips, including retreats, boot camps, workshops, custom tours, or even a wedding or family holiday. YouLi make it easy to coordinate all aspects of your travel plans while keeping everything together. Enter the details of the trip you are planning. Click Create Trip. From the planner dashboard, you can now enter further details about your trip. Now you have the basics, you can start entering the rest of the itinerary. Click on the eye icon to manage the plan. This is where you enter each activity that forms part of your trip. To add an activity, click Add Item, enter the details, then click Publish. Your item will now be part of the itinerary. We have been working in the planner mode. Let's have a look what the trip would look like from a traveller point of view. You will see all of the details that you have entered. Click on the travel itinerary. From this view, the individuals can select whether they wish to attend the optional items. One of the features of YouLi is its ability to manage payments. Payments can be collected by credit card, bank transfer and PayPal. You can set these up under Update Trip and then Costs. From the traveller page, they will be able to pay you direct. In the planner mode, you can also track payments. Click on Manage Payments. You will be able to see who has paid and how much they have paid. You'll also see a summary of the total trip costs. YouLi can also track tasks that you need the travellers to complete, like booking their flights. You can request activities to be completed by a certain date. You can also request that they submit a document to complete the task, such as a flight confirmation. This information can then be used by you to coordinate other activities, such as airport transfers. Once the traveller has completed the task, the planner needs to review. If you are satisfied, mark the task as completed. The traveller will then receive a confirmation that the task is complete. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for free as an explorer and pay just 2% booking fees on top of the credit card fees charged by Stripe or Square. Or you can subscribe as a pro account for $100 per month to add your team and your own branding to use YouLi as a white labelled solution. YouLi makes it easy to build travel pages for your events. We take care of the tech so you can focus on what matters, your participants. We look forward to seeing you online on YouLi. Bye for now.